Is the EU about to kill privacy in crypto? That's a question a lot of folks are asking today. All right, let's kick things off with some big news from across the pond. The European Union, yeah, those guys, are reportedly planning to ban privacy coins by 2027. Now, what are privacy coins? Think of them like digital cash where your transactions are super hard to trace. Instead of everyone seeing your money moves, these coins like Monero or Zcash keep things private. The EU's move here is a big deal because it clashes with the very idea of financial anonymity. They're saying it's all about fighting crime, but for a lot of folks, it feels like a step backward for financial freedom. If this goes through, it's going to shake up the privacy coin market big time. Next up, we got some high-stakes international drama. China is pointing fingers, accusing the US of straight-up stealing $13 billion in Bitcoin. This isn't just loose change, folks. We're talking about Bitcoin tied to the 2020 Lubian mining pool hack. China's cyber agency, CVERC, claims a state-level group pulled off that 2020 hack, and get this, they're saying the US seizure of those funds was part of the same operation. Basically, they're hinting the US might have been involved in the original hack, or at least illegally took the loot. Of course, US officials are disputing all these claims, calling them nonsense. This whole thing is a wild ride, showing how crypto is getting tangled up in global politics and accusations of digital espionage. Who's telling the truth? That's the billion-dollar question, literally. And finally, let's talk about some green in the market, specifically with Ethereum. The price of ETH just reclaimed that sweet $3,600 mark. That's a nice bounce back. What's fueling this? Well, one big player, BitMine, just went on a shopping spree, scooping up another 18,271 ETH. When a company like that makes such a big move, it sends a strong signal that they've got serious confidence in Ethereum's future. It shows institutional interest is still hot, and that can really push prices up. For those holding ETH, it's definitely a good day. Remember, this is not financial advice, but it's always good to see some positive movement in the market. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.